Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: superfoods for bodybuilding and muscle building. If you're looking to enhance your gains and optimize your workout performance, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Our first superfood is none other than eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of complete protein, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. They're also packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, making them an ideal choice for any bodybuilder or fitness enthusiast. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. Not only is it rich in protein, but it's also low in fat. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which promote a healthy gut, aiding in proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Perfect for supporting your muscle-building goals. Now let's talk about salmon, the superstar among fatty fish. Besides being an excellent source of protein, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties, which can speed up muscle recovery and decrease exercise-induced inflammation. Quinoa is up next on our list. This versatile grain is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein, complex carbohydrates, and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. Quinoa provides long-lasting energy and aids in muscle function and growth. No list of superfoods for muscle building would be complete without mentioning chicken breast. It's a lean source of protein, low in fat, and packed with vitamins and minerals necessary for muscle growth and repair. So, be sure to include it in your meal plan. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for bodybuilders. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for your workouts. Plus, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamins, supporting overall muscle health. Popeye knew what he was doing. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that should be on every bodybuilder's plate. It's loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C, all of which are crucial for muscle function, recovery, and overall health. Let's talk about almonds, the perfect snack for muscle builders. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Almonds also provide vitamin E and antioxidants, which support muscle health and protect against oxidative stress. Cottage cheese is a fantastic addition to any meal plan aimed at muscle building. It's low in fat and high in protein, making it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Cottage cheese is also rich in essential amino acids, which support muscle repair and growth. Last but not least, we have berries, nature's sweet and nutritious treat. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries, these superfoods are loaded with antioxidants. They combat muscle damage caused by intense workouts, helping your muscles recover faster. And there you have it, 10 incredible superfoods for bodybuilding and muscle building. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you'll fuel your workouts and support your muscle growth to reach your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember, a well-rounded diet with a variety of protein sources and whole foods is key to success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.